ImgToCode AI is one of the most exciting software releases you'll want to pay attention to. Whether you're a developer or a business owner, this new AI tool is changing the game for converting images into code. In this review, I'll cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about ImgToCode AI, so stick around till the end, and I'll also let you know how you can try it for free with the first link below. So, what is ImgToCode AI? Simply put, this software takes screenshots or images of UI designs and turns them into clean working code in seconds. You just upload an image and it instantly generates HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript, depending on the complexity of the design. This means no more manual coding from scratch or wasting time on design-to-code conversions. It's a total game changer for developers, designers, or anyone looking to streamline their web design workflow. But let's talk about why ImgToCode AI is such a powerful tool. The accuracy of this AI is incredible. It doesn't just guess what the design elements are. It uses deep learning to understand every component of the image, from layout structure to individual elements like buttons, forms, and text fields. This level of accuracy means that what you get is closer to a polished product, saving hours of work. Another impressive feature is how well it handles responsive design. Instead of generating code for one static layout, ImgToCode AI can adapt your design for multiple screen sizes. It generates CSS with media queries, ensuring that the design will look great on mobile, tablet, and desktop right out of the box. For those building responsive websites, this is a huge time saver. ImgToCode also lets you work with different design styles. Whether you're dealing with a modern minimalist interface or something more complex, it adapts to your image and generates clean, organized code accordingly. It's not just for simple mockups either. This software can handle more intricate designs, which is perfect for those with high-end design needs. The software also integrates seamlessly with your workflow. You can easily export the generated code to any text editor or IDE, and it supports all the popular frameworks, including Bootstrap and React. This makes it incredibly flexible for all types of developers, whether you're building static sites or more dynamic, feature-heavy web applications. One of the best things about ImgToCode is the speed. What used to take hours or even days can now be done in just a few seconds. That means you can focus more on creativity and less on the nitty-gritty of coding. It's as close to set it and forget it as it gets when it comes to web development tools. Before I wrap up, let me remind you that you can try ImgToCode AI completely free from the first link below. If you're curious about how it can improve your web design and development process, this is a no-brainer. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this is one of the most intuitive and useful tools I've come across. Lastly, if you're serious about finding the best AI software out there, I've listed my top recommendations in the description below. After using and testing so many AI tools, I know exactly which ones are worth your time, so check them out. That's it for today's review of ImgToCode AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out my other AI software reviews and see what else is available to make your life easier.